What's the meaning of bathtub? Bathtub. Bathtub.
Bathtub. Bathtub. A bathtub is a plumbing fixture used primarily for bathing. It is typically a large, rectangular or oval-shaped container with a smooth surface and a drain at one end. Bathtubs may be made from a variety of materials, including porcelain, acrylic, fiberglass, and metal. Depending on the design and features, they can range from simple and utilitarian to elegant and luxurious. While primarily used for personal hygiene, bathtubs can also provide a relaxing and indulgent experience, particularly when complemented by features such as jets, lighting, and sound systems. In some cultures, bathing is considered a social activity and may involve communal bathhouses or public baths.